Vanakkam. In this video, we are going to see Ulandangali, a Tamil traditional recipe which has its own nutritional values too. Here in Tamil Nadu, it is given to the girls when attain puberty and to the women when they are lactating their newborns. It is purposely given to them to strengthen their bones and joints and to boost their energy level. It is tested proven here and it's been in practice here from ancient times. The dish is very easy to prepare and the ingredients are easily available everywhere. One of the three main ingredients of the recipe is black gram, which is also known as ulundu in Tamil. This simple lentil is full of proteins and vitamin B, which makes this dal a perfect health package for pregnant women. And the next ingredient is palm jaggery, which is commonly known as karupatti in many regions of South India. It's a perfect substitute for refined sugar. It's a rich source of all nutrients and it's not your usual cup of sucrose. The third one is sesame oil, which is also called the queen of oil seeds. It has its own culinary, medicinal, and cosmetic uses too. The traditional Tamil medicine has long employed sesame oil for its anti inflammatory properties, using it to treat for joint inflammation. Let's see how to make it. Let's first dry roast the black gram till it turns golden brown. Or if it's whole gram, roast until a good aroma comes. Yeah, the perfect aroma comes. If you are using the whole black gram and not the split dal, you cannot see whether it's turning golden brown or not, so you can find it by the aroma. I'm here using the split black gram and see it's getting its color changed. And the next step is dry roast the raw rice. Let's keep it aside for some times. Once the heat comes down, let's add it into a blender and make a fine powder. Yeah, it's done. See how fine it is. Now, transfer the powder into a bowl, add 2 cups of water to it and stir it well. Make it a batter which is smooth and fine without any lumps. Take another pan, add 2 cups of water to it and 2 cups of powdered jaggery. let it be dissolved. Using a strainer, do filter the jaggery water as it contains too many dust. And let the water be boiled. Once it is getting boiled, add a pinch of salt to enhance the taste of the dish. Now, add the batter gradually and stir it well. Keep the flame in medium and stir it occasionally, otherwise it may stick on the bottom of the vessel. Once it is cooked well, add the sesame oil and mix it well until the curry absorbs the whole oil into it. Make a fine powder of 3 to 4 cardamoms. Finally, add the cardamom powder. If the curry is cooked well, it never sticks on your fingers. And the dish is now ready to be served. You can make small balls out of this gali by greasing your fingers with oil. Finally, it's done. Very yummy and nutritious உளுந்தங்களி ready. Yum.